Hey guys, just doing a quick one here. Already did this one and I thought to myself, you know what? Let me do a video on how to drain hot water heater. Just kind of flush it the way I do it. There's all kinds of fancy gizmos and gadgets you can buy online, but this is the way I do it and it seems to work. And I do it pretty simple. Do it maybe once a year and it's easy. I get where you would store some cold beers. Get a keg, big bucket. Get yourself a hose, little guy. This is down in the basement. So, and of course this one's got the cheapy plastic. So you screw this bad boy on. I'm doing this one hand. This is great. Oh, come on now. Tells me that's not on all the way. Yeah, no, definitely not. But we'll see what happens. All right, so I got it back on there. So you crank it on. Get yourself the hose. The other end of the hose, put it in the bucket, turn this bad boy on, crank it open. What I do is I take my foot and I just stomp the hose a little bit, try to create a little turbulence inside that tank. And then just let her go. You can see she's not that dirty because I do this pretty often. Like I say, about once a year. Some people have never done it. So I give it a couple of whacks like that. Fill it up a little. And then I gotta shut her down before it gets too heavy. And I'll just do this a couple times until the water turns clear. I take it out the egress window and dump it out. And when I do it a few times and it's clear, as you can see, it's kind of murky and grimy. And once it's clear, that's it for another year. But this will definitely preserve the life of the lifetime of your tank for sure. And it's pretty simple preventative maintenance technique. So hope it helps.